If you are a complete beginner and you've been thinking about starting your own YouTube automation channel, then this guide is exactly what you need. Over the next several minutes, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating a faceless YouTube channel in 10 minutes or less. Yes, 10 minutes. And I'm not talking about theory or guesswork. I'm talking about a practical, actionable plan that you can follow right now, even if you've never uploaded a single video before. The very first step in creating a faceless channel is finding your niche. Before you think about branding, before you design a logo, and even before you create the channel itself, you need to know what kind of content you're going to be making. The niche is your foundation. Now here's the good news. YouTube automation is healthier than it has ever been. Thanks to artificial intelligence, new niches are appearing every single day. Your options are practically endless. You don't need to chase saturated topics. Instead, you can pick something fresh, trending, and profitable. And the process I'm about to show you will work no matter which niche you choose. For demonstration, I'll cheat a little bit and use a tool I provide to my own students. Inside my school community, I give away a spreadsheet that lists the top 20 best niches for beginners to get into right now. For this example, let's randomly pick one from the middle of the list. Suppose we land on the WNBA niche. Now let's imagine that a channel in this niche randomly pops up in your YouTube recommendations and you're curious about competing in that space. What do you do next? It's simple. You go to that channel's homepage and click on the popular tab. Then you look at their most popular video, copy the title, paste it into YouTube's search bar and hit enter. What you'll notice is remarkable. You'll see dozens of other faceless channels that have remade the exact same video, often with very similar thumbnails and titles, and that is the heart of YouTube automation. When a video performs well, all you really need to do is take that concept, recreate it in your own way, and put it into production. Now, when you look at the thumbnails, you can usually tell which ones are automation channels. Real creators often have personalized thumbnails or high-quality photography. Automation channels, on the other hand, use very formulaic designs, bold text overlays, PNG graphics, and bright contrasting colors. All you need to do is identify at least 5 competitors in your chosen niche. These are the channels you'll be pulling video ideas from every single day. If you can consistently track what they're posting and replicate the winning formats, you'll never run out of content ideas. Once you've picked your niche and gathered your competitors, it's time to brand your channel. Go to YouTube, log in with a fresh email account, and create a channel. For the name, take inspiration from your competitors. In the WNBA niche, you might see channels called Basketball Top Stories, WNBA Watchers, or Basketball Time. Following that pattern, you can name your channel something simple and clean, like WNBA Central. If no one has claimed that name yet, congratulations, you've just created your brand. Next comes the profile picture. Most competitors in small niches don't put much effort into their logos, which is why you should. To create one quickly, I recommend using Grok, which is a free AI design tool available on X, formerly Twitter. With a simple prompt, something like free to YouTube channel logo for WNBA Central. Make the colors bright and neon, include the name, and add a basketball theme. You'll instantly get professional looking options. Choose one, download it, upload it to your channel, and you're done. Don't overthink it. Branding is important, but at this stage, speed matters more than perfection. After branding comes SEO setup. This is how you tell YouTube exactly what your channel is about. Go into YouTube Studio, click the settings gear in the lower left corner, and then click channel. Set your country of residence to the United States, even if you're not based there. This signals to YouTube that you want your content to reach an American audience, which tends to pay higher ad rates. Next, add your channel keywords. This is critical. The easiest way to find them is by using vidIQ. With their free trial, you can view the tags that your competitors are using on their most successful videos. Simply copy the relevant ones, like basketball, WNBA, NBA, ESPN, and paste them into your own channel's keyword section. This ensures YouTube understands where to place your content in the algorithm. Then move to Advanced Settings. Under Audience, you will be asked if your channel is made for kids. Always select No. Even if your content could appeal to younger viewers, marking your channel as made for kids dramatically reduces your revenue potential because it removes personalized ads. Always remember that many children watch on accounts tied to their parents' ages, so there's no need to risk hurting your monetization. Under Comments, check the option to filter out inappropriate comments. This will block most of the spam, hate, or bot promotions. And in the Community tab, add blocked words like clickbait, waste of time, and crypto. These will filter out annoying spam comments that try to promote courses or scams. Now that your branding and SEO are in place, it's time to move into production. Every faceless video requires 3 core elements: a script, a voiceover, and editing. The script is the foundation. Luckily, you don't need to spend hours researching topics. Just go to one of your competitors, click on their latest videos, and look for one with high views. If a video got 30,000 views in a single day, that's a winning topic. Click on it, study the structure, and use it as your template. And inside my school community, I provide students with a custom extension that automates this entire process. Once installed, it can grab a competitor's transcript and feed it into AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini with a ready-made prompt. The prompt instructs the AI to recreate the script in a fresh way, following the same structure but with new wording. Within seconds, you have a ready-to-use script tailored to your niche. This script can then be polished or adjusted based on your style, but most of the heavy lifting is already done. Once you have your script, the next step is generating the voiceover. For this, the best tool right now is 11 Labs. It's a text-to-speech platform that produces natural-sounding voices. Create an account, go to the voice library, and preview the different options until you find one that suits your niche. Add it to your library, paste your script into the text to speech box paragraph by paragraph, and generate the audio. Breaking the script into smaller parts ensures smoother pacing and prevents the system from glitching on longer inputs. After processing each paragraph, you'll have a full audio track ready for your editor. Now, what about video editing? You could learn to do it yourself, but if you want to save time and scale faster, outsourcing is the way to go. Head over to Fiverr and search for YouTube Automation Video Editor. You'll find freelancers charging anywhere from $10 to $50 per video. Send them your script, your audio, and the competitor video you're modeling. Tell them to edit in the same style but with different footage. Within a day or two, you'll have a finished video ready to upload. At this stage, you've officially created and branded a full automation channel and produced your first video. But of course, there are additional steps that refine and optimize your process. For example, when uploading your video, you'll need to add SEO-friendly descriptions, tags, and metadata. You also need to create compelling thumbnails. And more importantly, you'll need a long-term game plan that dictates how often you upload, how you reinvest earnings, and how you scale to multiple channels. That's where my school community comes in. Over the years, I've built a private platform where I share everything I've learned since 2018. Inside, you'll find a wins tab filled with real success stories from beginners just like you. Mark, for example, started on October 28th and has already earned 400. Wicked, another student, hit 200 in just 3 months. And Aiden, one of my fastest growing students, has already crossed $10,000 in revenue. These aren't outliers. They're proof of what's possible when you follow the system. In the community, I upload new training videos every month covering details like SEO strategies, thumbnail design, and advanced monetization methods. I also go live twice a week where I speak directly with members, answer questions, and even review channels in real time. Every week, I select one student for free one-on-one mentorship, giving them personalized guidance to accelerate their growth. I also share a Google Drive full of the PNGs and design assets I use to create thumbnails, along with updated lists of niches and tools. And of course, I provide the link to download my custom extension that automates script creation. Another powerful step you should add is building a thumbnail system early. Many beginners overlook thumbnails, but on YouTube, thumbnails decide whether your video even gets clicked. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert. Free tools like Canva, Photopea, or even AI-based thumbnail generators can do most of the work. The secret is to study your competitors' top-performing thumbnails. What fonts do they use? What colors dominate? Which emotions or actions grab attention? Once you notice these patterns, build 2 or 3 reusable templates that you can quickly adjust for every video. This system saves hours each week and keeps your channel's branding consistent. As your channel grows, you can even A/B test thumbnails by uploading different versions and tracking which one pulls higher CTR. The second point is tracking and scaling with analytics. After you've uploaded your first few videos, YouTube Studio becomes your best friend. Don't just look at views. Study your click-through rate, average view duration, and retention graphs. If viewers are dropping off in the first 30 seconds, your hook isn't strong enough. If CTR is low, your thumbnail or title needs work. Treat analytics like feedback from the market. Once you identify a winning format, double down and produce more of it. This is how faceless channels break out, by using data to scale what works instead of guessing. Over time, this discipline turns a small channel into a monetized machine. The best part is that almost all of my students started as complete beginners. Just 2 months ago, they were exactly where you are right now, unsure of where to begin, overwhelmed by the process, and worried about whether they could really make money online. The only difference is that they took action. They decided to stop watching from the sidelines and start building. And once they did, the results followed. So if you're serious about starting your own YouTube automation journey, now is the time. You have the exact steps. Find your niche, create your channel, brand it with a logo and keywords, set up your SEO, generate your scripts with AI, create your voiceovers with 11 Labs, outsource your editing, and upload consistently. It really is that simple. The opportunity is bigger than ever, and 2025 is going to be the year when faceless channels explode even further thanks to AI. Until next time, take action on what I've shared here, and don't let another year pass by without building something that could change your life.